to remove background noise from YouTube videos on your Samsung Galaxy S26, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open up YouTube and then find the video that has a lot of background noise. So for example, this video right here, when I play it,
we found out the hard way. So what we did,
there's a lot of wind interfering with the voice of the person who's currently speaking. So in order for you to remove that background noise so that it focuses mostly on vocals instead of what's happening in the background, all you need to do is still ensure that the video is playing. And then you're going to swipe down for quick settings and you should see audio eraser. Tap on it like so, and then tap on the toggle to turn it on. You can choose to increase or decrease the strength of the audio eraser, as well as choose to enable voice focus, so it lowers the volume of anything that's currently happening in the background, if it's music, and increases the strength of the voice. Then just tap on done to save the changes. And when you go back and you play that specific area, you should be able to hear a difference.
or HP. Yes. Is the talk numbers that are a bit wild. This is doing 800 plus.
And so that is how you can remove background noise from any YouTube videos on your Galaxy S26. Thanks for watching. If you're curious as to how to do more tutorials on the S26, feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.